How to delete old Facebook account that I cannot access. If you can't access your old Facebook account and just want to delete it, then follow these steps. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your current Facebook account or any Facebook account, because you need a Facebook account in order to delete the previous one. Now, once done so, tap on the search address bar at the top right corner of your screen and search for the Facebook profile that you want to delete. All you have to do is type down the name and tap on the profile and navigate to its profile section. Now, once you are in your previous account, old account profile, all you have to do is tap on the three dots on the profile available there right next to the messages. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to some options available on your screen. From there, tap on the report problem at the top or report profile at the top. Then tap on the something about this profile. Then tap on the pretending to be someone or fake account if applicable. And tap on the me option available there at the top. Then submit it. Now follow the instructions and submit the report. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.